Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to work in Canva. Let's begin. Getting a job or having a career at Canva, one of the leading online design platforms, involves a combination of preparation, showcasing relevant skills, and of course connecting with the company. Now, the number one idea is you need to understand the Canva's mission and culture. All right, because Canva is focused on making design accessible to everyone. They value creativity, collaboration, and innovation. Well, for example, you are here already on the Canvas mission and vision. You might want to click on the Join Talent Community on the upper right corner. What will happen is you would be forwarded here, wherein you might want to provide all the information needed. All right, you can basically, I'm gonna say, zoom it for you guys. You can join the Canvas talent community if you are interested in learning more about opportunities that suit your skill set or what it's like to work at Canva. Then there's the talent community is for you. You just have to provide your full name, email address, right? Your preferred pronouns. What Canva specialty are you in? For example, these. Are you into customer service, design, engineering, finance, information technology, legal, marketing, operations, people, product management, sales, and success, right? Now, as well as information on Canva and upcoming opportunities. Would you also like to hear updates like that? Of course, yes, obviously. And of course, the last important thing is you might want to share your CV with Canva, right? You need to upload one file with the following types like these file types. After that, all I have to do is click on submit, and one of the Canva talent team will definitely reach out to you if they seem that your relevant skills are important and is acceptable to join the Canva roster. But of course, before doing all of that, if you haven't already, you might want to click on the sign up button on the upper right corner, because this is where you can start the journey of your career in Canva. If you haven't already, again, you can continue with your Google account to create a free trial account here in Canva, with Facebook, with your business or personal email. And if you want to use your Apple, your Microsoft, your Clever, you can also do that. Also, you can log in or sign up using your mobile. After which you would receive a welcome email stating that these are going to be one of the few steps you need to do by putting your code, and then you were going to be welcoming with the Canvas dashboard. After signing up, I need you to see the dashboard with options like your projects, templates, and various categories. All right, you need to be familiar with the Canvas platform. All right, from here you can start with a new design, or if you want to hover to the templates, they offer business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, cards, and invitations. For example, you wanted to start with a social media presentation or the a template that you want to sell or showcase your talent here in Canva. You might want to go for the portfolio, because we wanted to establish our career, so or showcase our talent here in Canva. So you have all of these. For example, we're gonna be looking something like portfolio by Olivia Watson. Let's check on that, and all I'm gonna do is click on this, customize this template right here. Right? Now in this section, if you haven't already, might wanna have the option to use the elements in the left-hand panel of your dashboard. By this time, I assume that you are already good in Canva. If you haven't already, we have a separate video on how to use Canva. But the idea is, if you don't know yet, this is going to be an opportunity as well. I want you to go to elements, and from here you can choose from any of the elements that you can choose. You have like tables, charts, like frames, lines, circle shapes, and graphics, videos, photos, mockups, and a lot more. For example, we're going to choose something like a video right here. On the left side panel of your dashboard, there's going to be a video. You can drag and drop all videos that you wanted. For example, this right here. Of course, you can reduce the transparency like this, and you can, matter of fact, change the font style or font color to blend your identity. You can use any color that you wanted, and of course, you can choose have some effects. Increase the thickness, and this one's gonna be like, you have all these right under your disposal. You can be creative. You can add more photos as you go along the way. And if you think that this is going to be one of the best designs that you can do, I want you to play it and make sure that all of the elements have been put together very well. Now, after that, this is very important, all right? Alongside with your resume that you have sent to the Canva careers and job opportunities, I want you to click on share, and I want you to click on download. Why? Because you might wanna save this or share this design, copy that link, and paste it to your resume as well. So the recruitment headhunter in Canva would know that you have all these skill sets and design creativity that they are looking for, right? You also have the option to copy that link and of course go here and share this design to your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. And that way you are of course selling yourself and marketing as one of these portfolios. Because if you put all your social media channels in the resume, they would notice that they have like an Instagram profile where they can follow, they can background check your Facebook page, your TikTok, LinkedIn profile, Pinterest, Tumblr, and schedule. That means not only you have provided a comprehensive resume of your skill set, you also have the portfolio to showcase that. So you are walking on the talk, right? So that's that. And again, if they wanted a physical copy of this, all they have to do is click again and share. Click on like PDF print, sample PDF print, or PNG or JPEG, or if you want to download this as a MP4, you are welcome to do that. But I highly suggest not only, you can also use the Google Drive right here. You can save with this as a backup copy for your Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, and PowerPoint. And of course, once you have demonstrated your skills, you need to prepare for the interview process. There's going to be someone from the recruiting team to discuss your background and fit. That's going to be the initial screening, skills assessment, and of course, behavioral interviews. After that, obviously, you can always check their region-specific roles if you're interested in working from outside of their main offices. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.